and welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Welcome back.
Today we're going to be showing you how to recreate these lovely
Reese's Pieces. The ingredients used were milk chocolate, icing sugar and peanut butter.
The utensils required was a spatula, baking paper, a shaped cake tin and a glass bowl.
Don't worry, you don't have to go out and buy milk chocolate. If you have any old or unopened Easter eggs at home, you can always reuse this.
Firstly, you melt the chocolate
And evenly spread at the bottom of your cake tin.
and make sure you get it round the side.
Put the cake tin in the fridge and remove this after about 40 minutes.
For your filling, you need to add peanut butter and icing sugar and mix and mould like so. Next, you need to add your peanut butter filling into your baking pan and knead and flatten out.
Trim the edges of the peanut butter so that it fits into the peanut butter cup perfectly.
Put this peanut butter mixture inside the chocolate case on a baking paper and flatten out. Wrap the baking paper around the inner circle and place this inside.
Now pour the chocolate over the peanut butter.
Make sure you get it round the edges. Give it a couple of taps to make it even round the surface.
Now place this in the fridge overnight.
Now trim the edges.
Remove the Reese's Pieces off the baking tray and place on a plate.
Doesn't that look nice? We have a lot of footage for cutting, so this is us cutting the Reese's Pieces.
Enjoy.
Yay!
Look at the cross-sectional area on that. Amazing.
Delicious.
Okay, so over here we're decorating, and we basically had these decorations. We reused all the Easter egg bunnies and took their decorations off. So we just filled a couple of piping bags with white chocolate, dark chocolate and milk chocolate and did really random designs.
And peanut butter,
Oh, and peanut butter, yeah.
as you can see. So yeah, that was our Reese's
And we found
Pieces
these
journey.
chopped nuts, yeah, at home. And then we also had a bag of M&Ms that we hadn't eaten yet, so
We crushed that up.
we crushed that up too. And these fudge pieces actually removed from the Easter egg bunny, and I just reused them over here.
So yeah, that was our Reese's Pieces journey. Thanks for coming along with us.
You have done a good job, guys.
Thanks, Grandma. It's cool.
That's the end of our Reese's Pieces video.
Thank you for coming along with us on this wonderful journey.
Leave a comment.
Like,
And a subscribe.
You have done a good job, guys.
Thanks, Grandma.
Okay.
Bye, guys.